Beau's here. There, my dad and Jake. I bought a new project. We're gonna go pick it up. We got my dad's truck and trailer here. Hopefully with this project, we won't need a truck and trailer anymore. We'll need a trailer. We just hopefully won't need a truck. But in the last video or 2 videos ago, I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna put these out, but you saw that I had an Audi. Well, I'm selling the Audi to go get this project. You guys will have to see what it is. I'm super excited. My wife's pretty excited. We'll go talk to her. We'll go ask Carissa what she thinks about what we're buying. So, what do you think about what we're buying?
I think it's a pretty good choice. Since you always say, I need to go.
Hey, don't say what it is.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Jeez, I'm gonna have to bleep all that out. So anyways, we got the money, we got the approval from the boss, and we got a tow rig to go get it.
I'm here too. We got the Beau.
Yeah, I said
I don't have a mic.
I told him, I was like, Beau's here and Jake's here and my dad's here, so it's kind of a big deal.
It's kind of a big deal. It's like a party over at the powerhouse.
But yeah, anyways, let's hit the road.
Let's do it. See you in a minute. What's up? Y'all just saw Ronnie. He was talking about us. I think he was talking about us coming to pick up this truck. We're here. Oh, look at that. We even got a drone here. What? Daggone, we don't need that much footage of all this. Or maybe we do. Who knows? If something crazy happens, we may need drone footage. But I don't know. We're going to use Jake's truck right here to pull this truck up onto this trailer because we don't have a winch on this trailer. We have a winch on my trailer, but not Ronnie's dad's trailer. So, you know, in local losers fashion, we're doing everything, you know, as sketchy as possible. Hey, good luck. Have fun. Don't die. Those are the rules.
I got to unhook. I'm running over the trailer. I can't see.
Uh-oh. I don't think that's supposed to happen. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm standing way over here because this part is such a pain in the ass. Like, tying down and stuff. God, such a pain. So, I'm over here to avoid work. It's my off day. I guess it's everybody's off day. Yeah, we're gonna cut the grass because we're doing nothing else. We got nothing else today. Oh, it won't? It won't? Oh! There we go. Drones as lawnmowers. Perfect. Well, we got her home. We about to just, I guess, just roll it off. That's what I would do. I just roll it off. Let it go down there and just crash into this other stuff. Let's go over here and appreciate how low the square body dually is. It's now like completely bagged with the airbag system and everything on it. I think we got to check it for some leaks, but dude, it's low. Like the grass is growing up over the running boards.
So, this is my truck that I bought.
It's a white GMC truck.
Yeah. I don't know if it was a good buy or not yet.
But it's a diesel, right? It's 4x4, it's diesel,
Yeah.
It's a what, 3/4 ton?
Yeah, it's an LB7.
Is this gonna be a daily or what?
Yeah.
Or just like the work truck, like you
No, this will be my daily.
take it to the dump and whatnot?
Use it for all that kind of stuff. Use it as a tow pig until that tow pig is done. But that tow pig isn't like towing stuff. This
Yeah.
will be the one that actually tows
We
stuff.
talked about that already. We looked at how low it was.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Anyways, it's an LB7. It's a 2004, so a late model LB7, so the best.
Is that the chassis code, LB7?
That's the motor code.
Oh, the motor code.
Yeah. So we got to send these off. I already ordered another set. We got to send these in for cores.
Is that an injector?
Yeah.
Holy crap, that's enormous.
Yep.
That's way bigger than like a Honda injector.
Yeah, they're a little big. So we got to send these off, get new injectors. I got a lift pump for it because that's another common problem with these things.
What's the lift pump?
So like your car, like a normal car, has a fuel pump in the gas tank. A diesel has a high pressure fuel pump that's up front, run off the engine.
Okay.
Like on the Cummins, it's a P pump. On this, it's a CP3. And on most diesel trucks, not GM, for whatever reason, they're stupid, they have a lift pump. They have a pump in the tank or a pump in line that pulls that fuel up to the high pressure pump.
Lifts
Yep.
the fuel.
It lifts the fuel out of the tank to the high pressure pump. Duramaxes don't have that. So the aftermarket came to the rescue as always.
Nice.
And I got a fast pump, and so it has a 2-micron filter and a water separator with it too.
Dope.
Because the big problem with these trucks is fuel injectors. They get contaminated, they crack, they leak fuel, they wipe out cylinders, burn up engines.
Okay.
So you put in a good filter system and it solves a lot of the problems. So we're gonna have brand new injectors and a brand new filter system.
So you already got that stuff on order though?
Yeah,
right?
it's on order.
Okay.
I just have to send these injectors back because I did send my cores first and then get the other.
Does this thing get like a tuner, or I mean, what do we do? How do we roll coal in this thing? That's what everybody wants to know.
Yeah, we'll put EFI Live on it. And
How do we
we'll have
freaking dust some fools on the side of the road?
yeah, like I said, we'll put EFI Live on it. Eventually, I want to put like 22x12s on it.
Dude, that'd look good.
But yeah, I was gonna level it out, but I think it's already level, so I don't think I need to. It'll be on 33s and it'll look good. But the interior is a little beat up.
Let's go look at this interior.
The worst part of the truck is the interior, and so
it just needs a wipe down. My goodness.
it needs a good cleaning.
The backs of the seats don't match like the bottoms of the seats.
Yeah,
which
this
is
is
super weird.
Like somebody changed the cushion.
So like the backs are fabric and the bottom is like
Pleather.
pleather. Dude, it just needs a wipe down, really. Yeah, pop the hood. How do I pop the hood? Pop the hood. All right, hood is popped. Let's go look under the hood. That's the place. Okay, that's like half a motor.
Yeah, it's completely taken apart. It's not completely. The valve covers are off, and apparently this is what you have to do to get the valve covers off. And to get the injectors out, you got to pull the valve covers.
Really?
Yeah, that's why these trucks aren't very sought after. They have injector problems, and to replace the injectors, you have to do a lot of work here, and so it's very expensive to put injectors in this truck. This is one of the most expensive diesel trucks to put injectors in.
Really?
Yeah.
With all the cars and trucks we buy, we don't ever expect the odometers to be accurate.
But I mean, if it has 200,000 miles on it for this truck, like I paid $3,300.
Nice.
So like I stole it.
I said nice, like I didn't know that. I totally knew that. I just assumed that everybody else is going to be like, oh, nice.
So we'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Hopefully get it cleaned up, get rid of these stupid mirrors. That's the worst part of the whole truck.
Yeah, maybe we'll even get Jake out of the way so we can get a good shot of the truck.
I think they're electric out.
Are they?
Oh, is that what they are?
I think so. I have no clue.
I
They're
was looking at it. It's like a diesel with no tow mirrors.
they're dumb regardless. Or maybe they power fold. I have no idea. They're
So let's get on this thing. Let's get some work done.
Well, we got to get parts.
All right.
All right.
We'll see y'all later.
Bye, guys.